Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone. With heart. How much you missing? And you deserve.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Finally, another video. I know this one is delayed because I've been busy for the past few weeks since school started, but at least right now I finally had the time to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. Nowadays, I am using the Cornell method of note-taking because it provides a systematic format for organizing your notes. Firstly, I write the main title, then I divide the paper into two columns. Usually, the column on the right is twice the size of the column on the left. Then I write the subtopic. Under the subtopic, I write its meaning or definition. I use bullet points to organize information and make it easier to read and understand. Or sometimes I use diagrams or drawings. I use different colored pens or highlighters for the words that needs emphasis, or sometimes I even translate it to Tagalog or my mother tongue to make it easier for me to understand.
And you did it right from the start.
Use abbreviations for long terms or words that are repetitive on your notes. You can also make your own dictionary for your own abbreviations if that's a thing, but I do it.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Techniques or ways you have in doing your notes, make sure it inspires you to study harder. On the bottom part of your notes, write summary. Summarize your notes in your own words or how you understood the lesson. The left column will be used for keywords or questions.
And you did it right from the start.
Lastly, for additional information, write on a sticky notes and stick it on the side.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone
6 R's for note-taking. Record. During the lecture, record your notes in the note-taking section. The idea is not to write verbatim, but to capture the main points. Reduce. After the discussion, you can reduce your notes to main points. And this is the part where you can write down any questions that you have as you go over your notes. Next, recapitulate or summarize your notes. Recite your notes. Actually saying out loud can help to reinforce the learning process. Reflect. Think about how the information can be applied in the real world and how it relates to what you already know. Review. Allowing a few minutes of your time when you wake up or before you sleep, frequently reading your notes will keep you from forgetting the information.
Right from the start. And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. With all your missing someone.
That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want me to do next.